there, little space explorers. Are you ready for the most exciting adventure of your lives? Buckle up, because today we're going on a thrilling journey through our very own solar system with me, Spacey the Astronaut. I can't wait to show you all the amazing planets. And guess what? We're going to count them together. So, are you ready? Let's blast off. 3, 2, 1, blast off. First stop, the sun. Wow, just look at that bright, glowing ball of fire. Isn't it amazing? The sun is the biggest star in our solar system, and it's super hot, about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit on its surface. Can you imagine how warm that is? It's like a giant pizza oven in space. But don't get too close, or you might end up with a sunburn. So, let's count together. 1, the sun. Great job, everyone. Now, let's zoom away to our first planet. Can you guess what it is? It starts with the letter M. That's right, it's Mercury. Here we are at Mercury. Look at that little rocky planet. It's the closest planet to the sun, which means it gets really hot during the day. So hot that you could fry an egg on its surface. But here's a fun fact. At night, it gets super cold. Can you believe it? Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, only a little bigger than our moon. Let's fan ourselves to cool down. Phew, that feels better. Now, let's count again. 1, the sun. 2, Mercury. Awesome! Next up is a planet named after a Roman goddess of love and beauty. Can you guess which one? That's right. It's Venus. Whoa, look at those thick, swirling clouds. Venus is covered in clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though it's the second planet from the sun, it's hotter than Mercury. Those clouds make it like a giant oven, baking everything inside. Let's count again. 1, the sun. 2, Mercury. 3, Venus. Fantastic. Now it's time to visit our home sweet home, Earth. Look at that beautiful blue and green planet. It's Earth, our home. Earth is so special because it's the only planet we know of that has life. It's got water, land animals, and all of us. Isn't that amazing? Earth is just the right distance from the sun, not too hot and not too cold. It's perfect for life to thrive. Take a deep breath. Ah, Earth has just the right air for us to breathe. Let's wave goodbye to Earth as we zoom off to our next planet. Can you guess which one it is? That's right. It's the red planet, Mars. Here we are at Mars. Just look at that red, dusty surface. Mars is covered in dust, and scientists are super excited about it because they're looking for signs of life. Did you know Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system? It's called Olympus Mons, and it's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Let's pretend we're climbing that mountain together. Up, up, up we go. Phew, that was fun. Now let's count again. 1, the sun. 2, Mercury. 3, Venus. 4, Earth. 5, Mars. You're doing great. Now hold on tight because we're zooming to the biggest planet of all, Jupiter. Whoa, look at that giant gas planet. Jupiter is huge. It's the biggest planet in our solar system, so big that you could fit 1/300 Earths inside it. Can you believe that? And look at that storm. The Great Red Spot is a giant storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. Let's pretend we're in a storm. Hold on tight. Whoosh! Now it's time to glide to Saturn. Look at those stunning rings. Aren't they cool? Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. And even though it's the second largest planet, it's the lightest. If you could find a giant pool big enough, Saturn would float like a beach ball. Imagine that. Let's count again. 1, the sun. 2, Mercury. 3, Venus. 4, Earth. 5, Mars. 6, Jupiter. 7, Saturn. You're amazing. Now let's head to Uranus. Uranus is a bit funny. It spins on its side. Scientists think it got knocked over by a big space rock a long time ago. Isn't that wild? Uranus is made of gas and ice, and it's super cold, one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Brr, let's warm up before we fly to our last stop. Neptune! Here we are at Neptune. Look at that beautiful blue color. Neptune is the windiest planet. Its winds can reach up to 1,200 miles per hour, faster than a speeding jet. Whoosh! And guess what? It's the farthest planet from the sun, so it takes Neptune 165 Earth years to orbit the sun just once. Wow, that's a long trip. Let's count one last time. 1, the sun. 2, Mercury. 3, Venus. 4, Earth. 5, Mars. 6, Jupiter. 7, Saturn. 8, Uranus. 9, Neptune. You did it! That's all 9 celestial wonders. Wow, what an adventure we've had today. We saw the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's 8 amazing planets and our star, the sun, keeping everything in place. Thank you for joining me, space explorers. Remember to keep looking up at the stars. You never know what you might discover. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars. See you later.